Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Prime Video is not working on Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Open Microsoft Edge and then search for Prime Video server status and hit enter. Now check the Prime Video server status on any website or any of these down detector websites and check if it is still up or not. If you get a green, then it's good enough. Then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, select the bin symbol, change the time range to all time and select clear now. Click on these three dots and then you can also select settings. Go to the reset settings page, select restore settings, click on reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.